Hey everybody, it's Scott O'Mato back for another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the custom skin loader mod to load custom skins either locally from your computer or from select skin servers. And you can also use it to cache your Minecraft skin offline if you want to play offline. Okay, this mod is available for Minecraft 1.8 up to 1.15 for both Forge and Fabric in the newest versions, which is really nice. It's been updated. Okay, so here on the mod page on CurseForge, only get the mod from CurseForge. You can get a link to some documentation where it says how to use, and it'll take you to GitHub where there's some documentation, and that's here. Now it's actually pretty easy to use, but people get a little bit confused about it. So I'm going to show you how to do it from scratch. We're going to use Twitch just to begin with, but it works pretty much in any Minecraft loader in a similar way. All right, so here in Twitch, I've got a custom skin loader profile, and we're going to install the mod within Twitch. And so you need to search for customs will work, but skin will not. That's one thing to keep in mind on their searches. So you could say custom skin loader and get it directly, or just type in custom and here it is, custom skin loader. So I'm just going to install that and only install that mod for right now. All right, so we need to go ahead and launch Minecraft one time to let it pull down its configuration files. And then you do need to create a world to get your user ID and stuff like that. When you load the game, it's not pulling down skins until you create a world. All right, so we'll just launch it here. It's only got one mod, so it just should take just a moment to launch. Now this is a Forge mod that I'm using here, and I'm doing it in 1.12.2, but it works the same as long as you have Fabric installed for your newest versions of Minecraft 1.14 or 1.15 as of this video, or Forge for those versions as well. Okay, and you just put the mod in the mods folder if you're using another launcher beside Twitch. All right, if you're not pulling it down from within the launcher, then you just put it in your mods folder like any other mod. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and create a world here, just any old world, and like I say, that's when it pulls down the skins for you. Pulls down your skin. All right, if you have a Mojang account, and if you didn't have a Mojang account and you're using a cracked launcher or whatever, then that's on you. You're gonna have to figure that out yourself, how that works. So let's let this world load quickly. Should take just a moment, and we'll get our skins pulled down. Okay, so you could see it pulled down my skin right then. You could see the blank character for a moment, and that's normal behavior. So if I quit now and I go out to the Minecraft folder, all right, it's your in Twitch, it's just the Twitch folder, but the link for the documentation tells you here that you want to change your skin. You need to go to this local folder here, .minecraft custom skin loader local skin. All right, we're going to do the local one. That's where all the preferences are anyway. See, it creates this folder called custom skin loader here in your .minecraft folder, or in Twitch in the profile folder for Twitch. All right, so custom skin loader, and then we want to open that up, and it's going to give us a list of preferences here, and there's going to be a folder that's local skin, and it's got 3 folders in it: capes, elytras, and skins. All right, we're going to do a local one, but to do it, we need to edit this custom skin.json. All right, so open that in any text editor, preferably one that'll format JSON files, Notepad++, or I'm using Text Wrangler on the Mac or whatever. All right, and it's going to give you a list of its load order. This is how it loads, and this is probably where people get confused the most. It's going to first try to load your Mojang skin. Okay, so if you have a Mojang account, then it's going to load that skin. Then it has a list of servers on here that it can get skins from. Little Skin, which is in China, Blessing Skin, Elytras, Skin Me, and then Local Skin and Glitches Games. Now you can add one to here if it has a API, and it would tell you on the site if it does that, and you just basically need to add the URL as such to do so. But what we want to do, since we're loading a local skin, is we want to put it to the top of the list. So copy between the braces here, and you're going to need a comma after it. So, copy between the braces, get the braces too, and I'm just going to cut that out. All right, and then, get rid of the space that I have. And I'm going to put that at the top of the list right here. All right, so I'll paste it there at the top of the list. And I do have a comma after it. That's important. Each entry needs a comma after it. Go to the next one. So now it'll load my local skin first, okay? And it has this syntax of where it goes, local skin, skins, your username, your Minecraft username, your in-game username, and the PNG, all right? So just save that out, and then I can go to a skin selection site, like let's say Skindex, and there's a few of them out there, Nova Skin and some others. And you can find a skin that you want, like I'm just gonna say cowboy, maybe you're doing some role playing or something like that. And you want this certain skin. So let's say I want this skin right here. So I select it and then download it to my disk. There's the download button right there. And that'll pull it down to my disk, okay? So then I just go in and find it in my downloads, which it's right here. I already had a copy of it. All right, and this is the skin that I pulled down right there. All right, and then I just need to duplicate it or whatever. If you want to keep the original copy of it, doesn't matter, and rename it to your username. So Scott O'Mato is my username. Rename it to that. Then I want to copy that to my clipboard and go into the local skin folder, into skins. All right, and it creates all these folders when you first get into a world, which is why that's the easiest way to do it. So now it will load that skin on my local computer, okay? And I can also do capes and elytras as well. So you can go to this site, minecraft.capes or minecraftcapes.co.uk, and find a cape that you like. I'll just get one that has a close color match or something or whatever, and download that. So there's Smoke Tree 8's cape. You just go to the gallery here on this page and you can select from capes. All right, once again, I've already downloaded that guy to my disk here. So I just do the same thing. I just duplicate it and rename it. Now I'm only duplicating it if I want to keep this, have a record of my capes that I have, and I don't want it to just be named scottomato.png. All right, and I'm going to copy that and put it into the capes folder. All right, and on that site, name it to my username, scottomato.png. And I'm also going to put it in the Elytras folder, because on that site they have Elytras and capes put together into the same image. All right, so you can see this is both an elytra and a cape. All right, so both of those. And now when I launch the game, I'll have custom skin, custom elytra, and custom cape. All right, and you of course need to have capes on. If you have Optifine, you also need to have capes on in there for you to see it. Now, if you're doing this for a server, then the other users on the server, this is a client-side mod. So the other users on the server have to have this installed for them to see your skin. All right, and a local skin will not work. So you have to use one of the skin servers. So let's just look over real quick again that you could use any of these little skin, blessing skin, alibi, skin me, or glitchless games by default. All right, if you want to do it. So any of the others, they usually have an API. You could work through that to figure it out. I can't go to every skin server, obviously, and figure out for you. All right, so I got a launch here. I'm going to turn the music down real quick, and we'll look in game to see the custom skin. So I'll just create just a new world. I want to be in creative, and I'm just going to do a super flat and then overworld, just so I don't get slimes and all that, and create it. All right, so now we should be able to see the skins in game and the capes and the elytras. So it's great for role playing. If you don't want to change your skin on the Mojang server, you're just wanting a temporary skin that you're doing for videos or what have you, it's awesome for that. Or if you're just wanting to switch skins on different servers, but again, the server has to be configured for it. Okay, so now when I look at my character here in F5, I can see that I have the custom skin. All right, I have the custom cape. There we go. And then if I get myself an elytra here, then it'll also take on that elytra texture. So let's grab an elytra real quick. Boom. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it on a local system. Pretty simple to do. Again, just for the remote systems, you're going to have to give it the URL of the skin and stuff that you want to do it, and you know, make that happen. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. It's the Skydo model in my new spiffy skin. Just playing around. Hope that's helpful to you guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and have a great day. Bye-bye.